haven't done a video in a long time, but I miss you guys. I miss YouTube. Personal lives can get a bit hectic. So, you know, I just haven't really had the motivation to like record a video and stuff like that. And I do miss YouTube. I do miss recording videos. On top of that, my computer was like, oh my god, my computer was like under construction so bad. But it's up and running now. Everything is running now. I'm good. I hope y'all good. So, alright, let's get into it real quick. What I have in my head right now is some new hair, and I'm feeling it. I'm definitely feeling it. Now, this is 18 inches, but look how long it is. It's 18 inches, and it comes like all the way down here. So I don't really think it's 18. I think it's a little longer. But I have in two 18s and a 14 inch. I didn't do any cutting or anything like that. I just installed it and then styled it. Now this hair was black and I colored it. So what I did was I bleached the hair, which I'm gonna show you guys how I bleached the hair. It's gonna be really quick. I'm gonna show you guys how I bleached the hair in the video. How I bleached the hair right now. Let's get into it. What you'll need is some bleach, and I'm gonna use Claro BW2. I'm also gonna use Claro 7 Stage. I'm gonna use Ardell's Red Gold Color Corrector, just so that way I don't have it too orange. And this is great. You only need one little packet. This is about 79 cents. Some foil, mixing bowl, spoon, and your hair, which I'm using Dyhair777. Cannot forget developer. And okay, so after I bleached the hair, I used Adore Mocha, and what I did was I colored like 1.5 bundles. So basically 1.5 bundles was blonde, 1.5 bundles I dyed it mocha, but and I got like some highlights and lowlights. So what I did was I made clip-ins. I made this hair into a wig initially, but I didn't really like the way it was. So I made clip-ins. So yeah, I made clip-ins, and I have some leave out up here. Not much of my own natural hair, and I'm really liking this hair by Dyhair777. This is Peruvian Body Wave. So I'm gonna put the link to the hair in its natural state right out the package below. But this is Peruvian Body Wave, and let me tell you guys something. This hair is like super soft, even now that I bleached it. Now, once I bleached it, the wave pattern did, you know, go away. But I just curled my hair with a 1.5 inch curling iron, and I pretty much got like, you know, just a little body. It's straight, but I just got some body with it, and I really like this hair. It's super soft. I'm not experiencing no shedding, and as far as tangling, okay, I got a few strands in my hand right now, so I'm not gonna sit here and say it don't tangle, it doesn't shed, but the shedding is minimal. Like, what is this? This is like 3 strands I have. It's not bad at all. And like I said, this is not even 3 full bundles. This is like 2 3/4 bundles, and I usually wear like 4 or 5, and this is like perfect. Now the lengths are a little bit longer, so what I'm gonna do is just check the lengths right now, and I have some extra hair. So this is the blonde by itself after I bleached it. So this is some hair that I didn't include, but the hair is supposed to be 18 inches. So let's see if it's 18 because I think it's a little longer than 18 inches. I think it's a little longer. Let me see. It measures to 20. It measures to 20 inch. See, I know it. I know like this hair is not 18. It's a little long. So that's good. So pretty much they give you 2 extra inches on length. So if you do decide to order hair and you like this length, then go ahead on and get you that 18. You're gonna save more money and you really have a 20 inch. So again, you guys can see the brown hair. This is the mocha and this is the blonde. So I have all of it just kind of like mixed in, and I put the blonde on top. So I think I'm adding some curls to it. Maybe I should put some layers. I don't know. But overall, this hair is very pretty, guys. This hair is very nice. I really like this hair. I like this company. The hair came in a box. They also sent me a lace closure, but I didn't want to install the lace closure only because I'm kind of tired of closures. Like, I don't know. I love my closures, but sometimes when I see girls, especially on Instagram, with their leave out, I don't know. I just feel like, oh, I want to try. So I was like, you know, F it. Let me try with my leave out, and I actually like it. Now, underneath my hair, I have 8 braids, my Meek Mill slick backs, and I just left out a little bit of leave out on the side, a little bit of hair in the front, and then just started adding in the clip-ins. And I have I think I have 6 pieces. So I am going to show you guys how to make clip-ins, but that's going to be a little bit later. Because it is getting warm and it's springtime now, I was like, let me play in some color. I'm always wearing black and stuff like that. What I need to do though is try maybe a little lighter, and I want to try gray, like, you know, that silver gray. And I also want to try I don't know, like a really nice purple, but then it's like I'm kind of, I don't know, everybody's doing colors and colors are not the same to me anymore. But anyways, guys, listen, this hair is the bomb. Like, I'm really loving this hair. I like the length and the texture more than anything because the hair is thick, the hair is very soft. I do experience some shedding, but it's minimal. I don't have any tangling, but this hair is like super soft. And styling is very easy. Like, styling it is super easy. Also too, this hair took the bleach like that. When I bleached this hair, I had to wash it on like 5 minutes, unless it would have been like blonde, super blonde. And I'm not trying to go there. I wasn't trying to go there right now. So yeah, I hope you guys like this hair. Like I said, I'm gonna put all the links below. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe. You better subscribe. Don't be watching my videos and don't subscribe, because that ain't right. No, guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Maya Godiva. Facebook, Maya Pringle. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.